Hey guys, good morning. Am I audible? If all right. Hi Samrendra, good morning. All right, just a second, guys. I'll send the link to the group. Good morning. Good morning, Samrendra. Good morning, Vinod. Good morning, Jivita. Guys, how about I think today we have people from. Already I found people from two different states. Why don't you say which place you belong to? I remember Vinod is from Kerala. Hi Manju. Hi Rakesh. Good, good, good. So how's the weekend plan, guys? Getting ready for the Saturday, Sunday, or every day is a weekend? Because now, no, everybody is at home, so audible? Okay. Am I audible and visible? Am I in the center position? Or should I move a little bit? Are you able to see me? Let me know if I'm finding any difficulty. The messages are coming a little slow, so that is where this network has an issue. Let me know if I am audible, I am visible, or are you facing any difficulty. We'll start in a couple of minutes. Yeah, as I said, you can mention which place you belong to, because I see some new people today, so it will be good for you to introduce yourself, which place you belong to. And whether I'm visible, audible, everything is fine, background is fine, lighting is not a problem today. Yeah, while you guys type, let's start with some of the mobility. Okay, today let me tell what I'm going to do today. We are going to have exercise abs and obliques. You all know abs, right? Upper abs, lower abs, and oblique region. And these are what tortures many of us, right? I mean, all of us want to have a flat ab, but doesn't happen. That's the difficulty because we keep eating the belly, what they say. I mean, this is something many of us have a Ganesh belly, right? So that is what we have a kind of find difficulty, but that is where, the challenge is how exactly we can get in shape. So today we're going to do some good abs and oblique exercise. All of you will have a good time with this. What we'll do now is, by the way, we'll do some mobility, 3 rounds of mobility, 4 rounds of warm-up, and 4 rounds of main exercise. We have to close everything within 1 hour, so we'll be pretty much on time, right? So I hope all of you can hear me. Am I audible and visible? I want to hear from one more person. Am I in the center position? Is good location? Or you want me to move a little bit side, this side, that side? Please let me know. Meanwhile, let me start with the mobility. Mobility will be 2 rounds, warm-up will be 2 rounds, and main exercise will be 4 rounds. So we have to be on our toes and get it done today itself, okay? It's not for tomorrow, it's only today. That also in first 1 hour. So let's be up and running and get it done, okay? And people who have, yes, Mihir, that's great. Rakesh from Odisha, that's good. I want to see people diverse crowd. I know we are live from Bangalore, but I want people diverse. So all of you can type which place you belong to. Say welcome, good morning, I'm from this place, I'm from that place. So it kind of brings that unity, we are finally Indians. Doesn't matter which state you belong to. So I want the unity has to come here. So Friday morning, all of us, thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Fume. That is how we'll start. Okay, by the way, just to introduce, I'm Jagan and I'm representing Fume. And yeah, good guys. So mobility, let's start with the mobility exercises. So some simple mobility I can tell you which are good to get your body just a little bit up and running. So what we'll do is torso rotation, full range of motions. Just try to go for a couple of range of motions, less to more. Okay, torso rotation, rotating the torso, just basic mobility. High knee march, side bend. So these are just a mobility just to get your body out of sleep. These are not even warm up. I have not yet gone to warm up. I'm just doing mobility to make sure that we are just waking up. This is a wake up call. Alright, there's one round of mobility. We'll do one more round of mobility, then we'll move to the for the warm up exercise. Again, torso rotation. So this is my good morning alarm message for you. So if you are doing mobility, you are waking your body up. You are giving alarm to your body. Enough, it's enough. I am now I'm woken up. I'm up and running. High knee march. Some basic mobility exercises. Get your body moving from sleep to movement. And I'm sure you'll enjoy this mobility. 2 rounds mobility, side bend. I'm not counting how many times, just do a couple of times because warm up will do the count, and I hope all of you can remember how many times you're doing it. Side bend. That's it. Done. So mobility is done. So we are doing mobility also today. Great. That's awesome, guys. Sunitra is from Calcutta. Good. Niranjan, Rakesh, I talked to Rakesh. Ashish Mishra is back. Good. We are close to 30 plus people right now in this session. So let's start with some great warm-up exercise. Guys, today is going to be ball of a session. All of you will have a ball of a time. Make sure you have the mat with you. I have a mat. You can see there. There's a water bottle also. I don't know you can see, but you have to have a water bottle and you need to have a towel as well. Okay, these are basic things to need to have. And I hope all of you are ready, up and running right now because you have a ball of a time. You will definitely like the session today. I'm sure that you will burn a lot of calories. Our target is to at least burn 300 to 500 calories. Okay, if you go for advanced version, you can even get into close to burning 500. Little level 1 or beginner version, you close to burn 300 calories. Good. So warm up, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Simple things we'll do, and I hope all of you can continue with that. Hi Brijesh, good morning. Brijesh Yadav, great. So warm up will there be 4 different exercises. Each exercise will do at least 10 to 15 times. Okay. And 15 times is a good one to do start, and we can probably do more if you want, otherwise good. And we'll do 2 rounds of warm up. Okay, I'll tell you what are the things we're going to do. One is standing criss-cross crunch. Standing criss-cross crunch. What it means, like this. It's a warm up. It's not a main exercise, guys. So this actually works on your oblique also. This warm up also works on your oblique and your upper and lower abs. This is one exercise which is standing criss-cross crunch. There is high knee to torso rotation. So we already did slow high knees. Now torso rotation also along with that. Okay, simple one. We'll do 10 to 15 times, and I hope all of you can do is very simple exercise. 15 times each side. Okay, let's get excited. Next is jumping jack. If you have first time to jumping jack, this is like this. And if your kind of your body doesn't support your joint pain, those kind of things, do like this. Okay, jumping jack will do 15 times. Okay, this very simple to do. And final one is high knees. High knees is we have done slow high knees now so far. We'll do first high knees. This is like this. That's it. So this will get your body up and running, getting it ready for the main exercises. I am excited about today's abs and oblique workout. Are you good, guys? Should we start with the warm-up? People who joined late, we have not started anything. We're just talking. We are having a chit chat because thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's fume. We have not started the exercise yet, but we are gonna do now. Okay, good, guys. We can start with the warm-up now. All right. So let's start with the standing crisscross. As I said, 15 times each side. So make sure left and right 15 times. Then move to the other 3 exercises one by one. And I won't say too much of rest, maybe 15-second rest you can take in between, okay? And count how many times you're doing it. Is it 10 times, 15 times, 20 times? Any count is fine. I am okay with any count as long as you don't stop doing it. Do really lesser amount, lesser type of iterations, in the sense, do easier version of it, but do it complete, okay? Okay, crisscross march. Standing crisscross march. Standing crisscross crunch. Okay. 15 times each side. What you need to do is, guys, keep your hands below your head, as I said, and keep moving. Legs up and side crunches. Very simple. Don't bend your back too much. Lower back should be intact. You slightly tilting from your upper back. I'll just take it easy. It's just a warm up. It's not a main exercise. You don't need to sweat with this. Just get the blood running to the organs, pumping up. Keep breathing, and you're done. So first set of warm up is done. That is standing crisscross march. Next is high knee torso rotation. Just count your data, how many times you're doing it. You can type it here, and so that we keep in touch. Keep on discussing things how you are moving. So please type your data. Meanwhile, let's move on to high knee torso rotation. Okay. Again, 15 times. 15 times each side, guys, not 15 times total. High knees is a very slow one, not very fast. It's a good warm up. Just you can feel your obliques moving along with that. $15 times each side. So I do 30 times in total. Left and right, moving side to side. I might do a little more as well, maybe a little less also, based on how much I want to do, but I don't stop doing it. I'll just keep doing it. I'll make maybe do easier one. I'll do like this, you can do, or you can do only march if you are finding a little difficulty, or you can do both together. Done, guys. Second exercise is done. Are you good now? Have you done 50% of the warm-up? First 2 warm-ups we have done. Let's move to the jumping jack and plank jack. Jumping jack and high knees. So jumping jack we'll do 15 times. Have some little water. Because with 2 exercise, one is rotation and other one. So what will happen is your heart started pumping. You are feeling that, okay, body is getting warmed up. I'm good to go now. I'm ready to go. 20 side, great. Keep typing, guys. Keep typing. Keep engaging yourself. Keep engaging the crowd, so that you all be in the same page. We all are in the classroom right now. It's a virtual classroom, learning from each other and growing. Okay. So next is we'll do jumping jack. How many times? 15 times. So jumping jack. Next, go for full range of motions. Stretch your hands. Stretch your legs. Your body should be in control, and don't stop breathing. Keep your lungs open. Keep moving, and 15 times is awesome, guys. You will feel the blood flowing. Awesome. Done with the jumping jack. You can type how many times you have done. Then we move to high knees. You can see a little bit, you know, the water has started, little bit of sweat has started showing on the face. That shows we are getting really warmed up. We are ready to good to go now. But still we'll do one more round of warm up after this exercise, after the high knees. Good. Second one is 15. Third one, please count. And I'll move to the fourth one, which is high knees. If you want any support, let me know. You can type. High knees, guys. Beginner version level 1 and advanced version, you already saw that. So done with 15 times. Oh, are you good, guys? Some music won't do any harm because it's Friday. It's a party time. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Fume. And we're going to play some good music, which is dedicated for you, home workout music. Okay, all of you who are at home taking care of your family, taking care of your other requirements, other needs, professional, personal, and also taking care of yourself. For you, this home workout music. I hope you can hear the music and you can do workout together. If you let me know if it's too loud, we'll make it easy, make it a little lesser. I hope the music is fine, the sound is not too much. Okay, now start with second set of warm up before we move to the main exercises. Okay, great. So Manju, you can do fourth high knees also. So moving to the second set of warm up. After that I'll take the main exercises. Okay, so we'll start with standing crisscross crunches. The music, just let me know if it's fine. If it's too loud, we'll just reduce it. Oh, standing crisscross crunch. This is the other one I tried. It's okay. Standing and bending the sides. Done. Done with the second round, first exercise. Next we move to the knees. Slow high knees torso rotation. Crisscross is 15. Great. Great, man. Priyanka Verma is, everything is done. First set. Let's start the second set, the final warm up round. In crisscross. Next is torso rotation. Crunches, high knees torso rotation. Third one is jumping jack, and fourth one is high knees. Okay, so if you want to know the names, crisscross, okay, I'll tell you the names also, it's not a big deal, but let's first do one. We've now finished second set, first exercise. Now moving to high knees torso rotation. Slow high knees, not fast high knees. Quite easy one. I love it because it gives me full round of rotation. Try to have a full round of rotation. What is a full round? Like this. Like this. Done. Good. So now move to the jumping jack and high knees, and that will be done with the warm up. Okay, then we have excitement, main course waiting for you. So warm up is like a starter. If you like the starter, you'll definitely love the main course. So last two starters waiting for you, and that is jumping jack and high knees. Great starters. Just enjoy the starters, then you move on to the main course. Awesome.
I let her do anything, let her play me. She makes me go another round. What are you doing to me now? You found
Now move to the last warm up of the day, last exercise, high knees. Before we move to the main exercise, let's complete it now with the good music.
keep me calling up to you.
As I said,
I can do
Friday time, weekend is started, so let's have some good ball of the time. Ha. Whew. Done, guys.
Took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying
Are you done with the warm up? We'll start with the main exercise. I will just take you through. Let me know how many times I've done. Then move to the main exercise.
found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling up to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Stand to hear me calling up to you. It's all that I can do. Tell me
Just let me know when it's ready.
that you
Done with the warm up. Great. So what I'm going to do today, guys, I'll tell you 4 different main exercises you're going to do. Jackknife crunch we'll start with, okay? So I'll explain what is jackknife crunch. Let's understand this part, it's very important. Okay, in jackknife crunch, it's very important. What you need to do is, so there are 2 different versions. So jackknife crunch is not like any other crunch. This is not like what do you say? This is not like any other crunch or any other abs exercise. It's a little more advanced version. Okay, it's more advanced version because what it does is it works both on your lower and upper abs. Okay, it's more advanced than any other crunch. So jackknife crunch is quite a great exercise, but I'll explain you the 2 different versions. One is the easy one and little difficult one. Okay, so what I'll do is now I'm going to show you the level one, which is the easier one, or maybe you can say a bigger one. So lie flat, stretch your hands and like this. Okay, now what you do is when you now keep your lower back on the floor, your upper back only will lift off. Okay, it's a great exercise for engaging your core muscles. Now you can see this is a level 1. Okay, level 1 means if some of you can do that, which is little not so difficult. But if you want to make it difficult, the one I would like to do you to do is, if you are already regular with the sessions, I like to do like this. Stretch your hands. Okay, keep your legs on the floor. Then start moving like this. And when you do that, you can also touch your toes and go down. So we saw the easier one. Now the difficult one is this one. You're lifting both together, your lower back on the floor and touching the toes. Again, Whew. So your legs and the body needs to work together. Wow, this is the real one, guys. If you want to touch your toes, it's great. If you feel you can't touch it, it's also great. I mean, just try to stretch yourself to touch. The idea is simple. The lower back should be on the floor, ground. Your legs will have to lift. Your upper body has to lift. And if you want to try to touch the toes, great. If not, at least try to lift and go closer to the toes. Is that good, guys? That is the jackknife crunch. Next is side plank twist. Okay. So let me help you understand what is side plank twist. So this is left and right, both sides you have to do 10 times each. Okay. Now see my body how it is. This is side plank twist. So you have the plank position, but the side plank. The normal plank is like the shoulder plank or the elbow plank. The side plank, on side plank, what are you doing? You are twisting your arm and moving on. You see, it works in the oblique area the time you make the crunches. Okay? I hope you're clear on this side plank twist. Third one is a plank jack. All of you know the plank. Plank is actually your body has to be in a straight. Now what we'll do is plank jack. I'll just show you how it works. This is the one. Plank position. So when you plank position, don't be like this or don't be like this. Okay, very important. Be straight like this. Here what I do is, okay, keep your legs sideways, moving and in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. This is a plank jack. It's a great exercise, guys. Gives a full body warm up. Great for your abs, obliques, and next one is the Russian twist. Okay, so Russian twist, what do you do? Okay, keep your legs, bend from your knees. Keep your hands on like this on the side. Now lift your legs a little bit more so that you are just 45 degrees. Okay. Now what you do is, you can have something in your hand, dumbbell or any bare hands is okay. Keep moving. Look straight. So the twist, what you do, what it does, it works, you are twisting your torso. Actually it's working in the oblique area and your core. It's a good exercise for your core, for your abs, for your obliques. You look straight, don't look down. It's a progression. So if you are finding it difficult, don't lift your legs and keep doing it. That means your left leg should be ground and just try moving from one side to other. Is that clear, guys? The 4 exercises, we can do 3 to 4 rounds today. I think we can do it, definitely possible. See, the real fun is when you start doing it. Any exercise is just progression. Okay, start easy, keep making it difficult for yourself, and that is how you progress. The time you progress, the things which is difficult now look much easier after some time, but you have to keep doing it. Because anything for that matter, never easy for anybody, but keep doing it, will become easier. Are you good to go, guys? Can you start with the first exercise, or you need more time? Let me know. Say yes. I think there's a message taking some time. Let me start with the first one now. Okay, I hope all of you are ready. I know that you might be ready as you're waiting for the exercise. Let's start the jackknife crunches. I showed you the easier one and the difficult one. You can do anything for that matter. You can bend your knees, the easier one. Difficult one is straighten your legs. Don't bend at your knees. Okay, let's start with the first exercise. Great. So getting started, guys. Jackknife crunches.
Just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging
10 to 15 times.
Every time we spend
This is
time,
the
I
Q1.
wanna do this for the last time. I don't need
3,
it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel
4,
alright.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Crazy how we started off so good.
9,
Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But
10,
now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you
11,
see it. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while
12,
since we were good. So why
13,
we bragging now when we've been doing everything
14,
we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight.
15.
Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it.
Done. I've done 15 times, guys. How about you? Could you complete as well? Hi, good morning, Krupa. I just missed some messages. Niranjan, good morning. Siva, good morning. मेन कोर्स के लिए रेडी है. देवास इज रेडी. कृपा गुड मॉर्निंग. लुचिस्मिता गुड मॉर्निंग. So done with the first main exercise, that is jackknife crunch. Next is side plank twist. Are you done, and how many times have you done?
No, don't need you here to
The
feel
music is loud. Okay, let me know also. I hope the music is okay. If it's too loud, let me know. If you're not audible, the music is dominating, we need to do something about it. Hi Athira, great. So done with the first set. You can type your number or you can wait till the time is complete. So let me start with the side plank twist. Okay, again 10 to 15 times. What I suggest is do 10 times on the left, do 10 times on the right, or maybe 7 plus 8. I think better to do equal 8 plus 8, 10 plus 10, 5 plus 5. So because you do both sides, not one side only. Jackknife crunch 15 without toe touch. Great, no problem. Toe touch is advanced, little more advanced in fact. It's okay not to do that. Yeah, what I was telling is for the side plank twist, you can do 5 plus 5, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 10 plus 10 as you want. Okay, so I will start with side plank twist. Let's get started.
I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight.
4,
But you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it,
7,
I don't need it, no,
8,
don't need you here to feel alright.
10. Done one side.
Comfort me,
Moving on to the next side.
still it's not enough. Oh, I love the way you comfort me.
Great exercise for the obliques. Let's do that. Keep guys through range of motions. Inhale and exhale. Keep your lungs open. Great. That's awesome. Done with side plank with twist. Now moving into plank jack. Let me know how many times you've done. 15-second break. Great, are you done, guys? Second exercise. We'll move to the third one, which is plank jack.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would
Plank
always
jack.
call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up
Complete
to.
straight plank. If you cannot do straight plank, go for elbow plank, it's okay. I mean, not elbow, put your knees, be on the knees, be straight plank or be on the knees, and here you can just move your legs if you want. But I suggest better do it properly. It's not difficult. Otherwise you can do like this, right, easier one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done. Do you know when you do this, your abs are talking to you? Your abs are talking to you, your obliques are talking to you. There's a connection which is happening. Most of the time, you know what? We're talking to a hand, mobile, playing with this and all this. Your hands are mostly your eyes, ears, but your abs are not talking. They're telling, every time you dump all the food on me, now you are giving me some good exercise. I'm happy. They're thanking you. Your abs are thanking you. Your obliques are thanking you. They're saying thanks a lot for giving me some good exercise. Side plank done. That's great. Alright, so we are done with the plank jack also. Let me know how many times you have done the plank jack. I move to last one, Russian twist. So I use the bottle. You can use also something if you want. A dumbbell also. Keep your legs little lifted. The level 1 is keeping it grounded. Level 2, keeping it lifted. But remember one thing. The time you start moving, don't move your legs, very important. So make sure you get to move it, so don't move it. Look sideways to sideways, it's okay. 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your low back straight. Boy, that's fun. Done with the first set. We did all 4 exercises. Now moving to the second set now. Then we move to the third set. Great. Plank jack is done. No problem guys. I know you are catching up. It's great. But you know the 4 different exercise. I'll suggest keep it as much as you can do it. As many rounds as possible. We'll do at least 3 rounds today. You can do 2 rounds. You can do 4 rounds based on how much you can take it. But we'll do minimum 3 rounds today. So done with the first set. How many have completed Russian twist also? It's a great exercise for a Russian twist. Gives a good twist to your torso. Good for your obliques, good for your sides, good for your core and everything. And make sure you're not bending your knees. Very important. Sorry, you're not moving your feet. Your feet should be still, right? You're bending from the knees and you keep your feet as it is and moving side to side. Okay? While you're moving, make sure that your back is not bending. Your back is also straight. It's very important. Alright guys. So we'll start with second set. Last one is difficult. I know that Russian twist is not an easy thing. In that case, if you find it difficult, keep your feet on the ground and start doing it. You get used to it once you start doing it multiple times. Maybe you're doing it only second time in last 1 month. We do multiple exercise, so everything we don't repeat. We keep on introducing new exercise. So maybe after a couple of months you'll get it easier. Great. So now let's move on to second set, and also some good music as well along with that. Hot Legs, that's a music name. So enjoy. Jackknife crunch. coming up, we are exhaling. Going down, we are inhaling. Understand this point? Breathing in, breathing out, when we are contracting the muscles. Breathing in, when we are expanding. Okay? So that is very important. The breathing process has to be uniform. Breathe in, breathe out. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's okay to bend from the knees if I find difficult. You touch your toe, it's okay to bend from the knees. Oh. Done with jackknife crunches 15 times. Next I'm moving to great. Priyanka, great. Appreciate. Okay, we're done with jackknife crunches. Second exercise, second set, first exercise. Move to the side plank with twist. Do it 10 times or 5 times based on how much you can do. So I'm moving to the second exercise. Just do at your pace. You don't have to work on my pace because I might be doing a little faster. I might be doing a little more. I've been doing for last close to 1 year now, so it's used to me. But if you are new, you are just couple of classes, do as many as you can. Okay, it's okay to do 2 rounds, 3 rounds based on how much you can do, but I think it's good to do at least 3 rounds today. That'll be good to go. Okay, great. So we'll start with the second one, which is side plank twist, 10 plus 10 or 5 plus 5. Done. One side plank with twist. Do the other side as well. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Side plank twist. Now move on to the plank jack. Hi Tawfiq. Great. So move to the next one, which is plank jack. Alright guys, so start with the plank jack. I have done with 2 exercises. Do as many as you can. If you cannot do beyond certain limit, take a rest, take some water, take a break and move for next one. Okay, so let's move to plank jack. 15-second break. So I'm ready for the next set. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done. Plank jack as well. Next I move to the Russian twist. Excited about Russian twist. Great guys. Are you done with the first 3 exercises? Yes or no? Let me know. Are you done with 1 or 2? Next, a Russian twist. Let me complete and come back to you so that I can complete 2 sets. Let me know how many you are completing. Russian twist. Okay. Keep moving your torso. Oh, forgot the music. The next will be neutral. Keep progressing. Few range of motion side to side. It's a very important part, the progression. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done? Hi, Tawfiq, great. Done with the second set, guys. Great, Luchusmita is completed. Second set is easy, guys. You know what, first is always difficult, second, third, fourth, just like that happens. Just a piece of cake, we can do it. We all are used to it. We just can do it, not difficult. Okay, so now what we'll do is, we'll start with the third set. Let me know if you're done with the second set. So third set we'll do it, and I'll try to push for fourth set as well, because I don't feel complete if I don't do fourth set. I hope all of you are on the same pace. We'll finish the second set, and then move to the third. So second will complete it, third will complete, fourth one will do a little lesser, but I will do it. Okay, so let's move to the third set. Start with jackknife crunches. Understand again the breathing pattern. When you're contracting, that time you breathe out. When you're expanding, breathe in. That means when I'm flat, that time I'm breathing in. Contracting, that means my body is bending, that time exhaling, right? That is important because breathing is very important in exercise. It's not only in yoga but also for workout. So let's start with jackknife crunches. Side plank, correct position. 1 second. Hold on. So what I'll do is, Devashish, okay, we are now starting this one. Side plank I'll do after jackknife crunches. That time you can see your body should be flat. I'll show you that one again. Maybe I'll go a little slow for the side plank. Twisted, you can see that. Okay, so I'll move to the jackknife crunches. Then we'll move to the side plank with twist. Okay, I'm starting with jackknife crunches now. Third set, first exercise. Breathe in and breathe out, very important. Eight. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. Done with 13 times. Now, jackknife is done. We move to the side plank. If Devashish wanted to know, we'll do side plank right now. Side plank with twist. So understand the side plank is like any other plank. Everybody should know that. Your body should be straight. Okay, you might be knowing that is what the plank position is. It's not bending anywhere. So look at my side plank position, how I do it. Then I'll show you how it works. See, I just lie flat. This hand should be here, and the body should be like this. The feet, one feet over the other. You can keep on the diagonal, sideways, staggered also. You can do the way you want, not a problem. You can keep like this, or like this, or like this. It's all based on if you can balance yourself great. You can keep it staggered, no issues. But more important is to do the crunches. See, when you crunches, not like little bit. You go full range of motions. That means from here, I am perpendicular to the ground, moving down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what I'm gonna do is now on the other side. I hope you saw that devices. Not sure. Let me know if you missed out. I can show it again. Again, I am showing you, demonstrating to all of you. Side plank. You can keep one foot on the other, or you can keep on the stagger pole. Doesn't matter. But more important, full range of motions. Complete range of motions. If you can do, that's great. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Great devices. Moving to the plank jack and Russian twist. We can close both of them and quickly do a last round if you want, otherwise okay. 3 rounds are enough for today. I am fine with anything. I'll take your vote. So let's go into plank jack. Plank jack, okay? So the plank again, body should be straight, not bending. Look straight. Don't look too down like this. Your spinal should be straight. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done with plank jack. Last one, Russian twist. Russian twist, guys. Look straight, neck neutral, twist your toes, try to touch the ground if possible, if not, no problem. Idea is to progression. If you are not able to hold your leg in the air, keep in the ground, no issues. Your back should be straight, stretched out. That is a good posture. Wow. Done. Done with third set. I am done, guys. Are you also done? I think we are. Time is getting over. Are you okay for a small round, or is okay we can cool down? I am fine with everything. I am doing for you, so I want to know your feedback. A small round or we can cool down? Let me know. I am waiting and enjoying the music. Are you waiting for all of you? Third round is over now from my side. Next round, that's great. See, next round we'll do it. If you want to do lesser, it's okay, all of you. Or you can do for 10 times at least, okay? So let's start quickly because there's not too much of break now. Just 10-second break and quickly do it. That is like a Tabata kind of thing. No non-stop, okay? Let's do non-stop thing. It will be a lot of fun. Last round, non-stop. No break in between, okay? I'm starting the music now. It's a fresh music. I know all of you will enjoy, and we'll close this last round. Alright, jackknife crunches 10 times. And quickly all four you have to do. Not too much of break in between. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift, quick, side plank position. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other side. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. 2 more left. Plank jack. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Last one of the day, guys. Last exercise. Excited, listen to it. Legs tightly lifted. Side to side. Obliques, core, abs, all moving. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and done. Done, guys. We are done with the last set also. Congratulations, all of you. It's not easy, by the way. You know what we have done so far? We have done 3 mobility exercise. Good to get your body woken up from the sleep. Simple mobility 2 rounds we did. We did warm up, 4 exercises, each of them two times, 2 rounds. And men, there are also 4 exercises we have done 4 times. That's a great achievement, guys. Within 1 hour, it's not easy to finish everything. But most important, we need to cool down. Because the heart is pumping, blood has flown to all your organs, you're breathing fast. Now body has to be the same person as it was before the exercise. Otherwise, you not get enough rest, it will not be good. Okay, so we need to get the blood back to your normal, heartbeat normal, everything should be normal right now as it was before. How to cool down now for the abs? Some special cool down I'll teach you today. You can just cool down and you can tell how many times you're done as well for the 4th round. Okay, so simple things we can do, which is like this. Stretch your legs. This is a toe touch rotation. This is for your abs. You can feel the music in your abs. Your abs are talking to you. They're thanking you. They're telling thanks a lot. You gave me a good thing today. Every day you're dumping some food on me. Now I'm getting some good thing. I'm enjoying this. This is one cool down. Wow, awesome. Next cool down will do it. This is very important, guys. Cool down is important for your body. Let's cool down. Keep your both legs together, close the joints. Okay. Now, keep your hands together. Bend on the side. Keep your back straight. Don't bend your back. It's good for obliques. Alright. do it like this. Put one leg straight, other leg flip it, and bend it. Pulling down from the back, and also for us. You feel your all sides, all abs. Now downward dog. Cobra. Side pose. Great. You're done with pull down as well. You'll enjoy. You know what? I'll tell you a couple of things happens when you do exercise. Your stress will reduce first of all. All of you are in tremendous stress because of COVID. You're thinking what will happen tomorrow. Numbers are increasing. This and that. You're reading news, getting scared about what will happen about our future. Your stress level will come down because there are certain hormones which start flowing once you do regular exercise. And the best part in a group exercise is that you are not doing the boring things again and again. You're doing with a work team actually, which is giving you the real energy. Okay. Great guys, and make sure that all of you have enough water in a day. Take enough protein, rich food, for example broccolis and sprouts, all this, and take good, kind of whatever required in the body. You should take enough sleep as well, 7 to 9 hours of sleep. That is very much important, guys. Okay, and keep coming to all our sessions. I'll make sure that in 6 months of time you will be a transformed individual. People say you are looking younger, you are looking much more energetic, more excited about life. I want to be like you. You can be a role model for the society. That is definitely I'm going to tell you that will going to happen. Okay, be part of the session and see you in next class. Thank you guys.